Where do Bitcoins actually come from? Is there a secret factory? Are they printed like dollars? Nope, it's much cooler. And a little weird. Let me explain Bitcoin mining like you're 5. Imagine a huge digital treasure hunt happening 24 hours a day all over the world. In this hunt, people, called miners, are racing to solve super hard puzzles. And every time someone solves one, they get rewarded with shiny digital coins, Bitcoins. But these miners don't wear helmets or swing pickaxes. Instead, they use powerful computers that crunch numbers really fast. Think of it like a huge race where the fastest puzzle solver wins the prize. But wait, why does Bitcoin need this treasure hunt in the first place? Good question. Mining isn't just about creating new Bitcoins. It also keeps the entire Bitcoin system honest. You see, every time someone sends Bitcoin to someone else, it needs to be recorded on the blockchain. Miners make sure these transactions are real and that no one is cheating by trying to spend the same Bitcoin twice. When miners solve puzzles, they also bundle together a bunch of transactions and lock them into a block. This is what makes the blockchain, a chain of blocks full of transactions secured by miners. But what kind of puzzles are these miners solving? Are they Sudoku? Crosswords? Nope, they're solving a math problem called proof of work. Basically, miners are guessing really long numbers, called hashes, until they find one that fits the rules. It's like trying to guess the right combination to a digital lock. It's all trial and error. Whoever gets it first wins the block reward. And yes, it takes millions, sometimes billions of guesses. Here's the cool part. When a miner solves the puzzle, 2 things happen. They get to add a block of transactions to the blockchain. They get rewarded with new Bitcoins that didn't exist before. This is how new Bitcoins are created. They aren't printed. They're discovered like treasure by miners doing digital work. That's why Bitcoin mining is often called digital gold mining. But isn't all this computer guessing wasting energy? That's a common question. Bitcoin mining does use a lot of energy, but miners are also getting smarter, using renewable energy or placing their computers in places where energy would otherwise be wasted. Some people see Bitcoin as bad for the environment. Others see it as an innovation that pushes renewable energy forward. The debate continues. Let's bust a few myths. Myth 1. Miners make Bitcoin out of thin air. Truth, they do hard work and it costs real money and energy. Myth 2. Mining will last forever. Truth, Bitcoin has a fixed limit of 21 million coins. After that, miners will earn only transaction fees. Myth 3. Anyone can mine profitably from home. Truth, these days mining is super competitive and requires specialized machines and cheap electricity. So why does all this matter? Because Bitcoin mining is what makes Bitcoin decentralized, secure, and predictable. No single person or company controls Bitcoin's creation. It's all coded into the rules, run by a global network of miners. That's what makes Bitcoin special. It's not a company, it's not a government. It's a network powered by people and their computers all over the world. Now that you know how mining works, are you curious how it connects to the Bitcoin blockchain itself? Check out our next video, where we break down the blockchain with kid-friendly stories. Like, subscribe, and join the Block and Learn community as we make Bitcoin simple for everyone.